welcome to Africa. We are currently in Zanzibar. We are in Stonetown and we have just got to the African House Hotel Sunset Bar to watch the sunset. It is looking pretty cool.
It's my first day in Africa. We woke up on the shortest day of the year and now magically it has become the longest day of the year by crossing the equator, and the view is amazing.
Cheers! How's it in Africa? Good morning. So the last time you saw us, I think we were at the Sunset Bar watching the sunset. After that we went and got dinner from the night markets and then kind of went to bed because we were a bit tired from all the travelling that day. We got up nice and early this morning, went for a wander around Stonetown. It was really quite empty. And now we are sat on the rooftop having some breakfast. Guys just brought us a fruit salad and has offered us some eggs and sausage, so I'm pretty happy. We are now in Nungwi. We've woken up, we've had some breakfast, and now we're off to go find the beach. We are staying at Oasis, and there's two lovely beds with mosquito nets, and then bathroom behind me. It's even got hot water. And if you come out here, the ladies might still be cleaning the balcony. We've got a little area to sit. We are currently right on the north beaches of Nungwi. We've just walked all along the coast. The tide is out for miles, or at least that's what it seems. It's literally out the whole way, so all the locals are out gathering seaweed, I think, as well as other things. They're like mending their boats, digging in the sea, and yeah, it's just really nice. Along the beach, and now up here we've just got to the aquarium, so we might go inside and see some turtles. So it's Christmas Eve. We're sat on a beach in Nungwi having some lunch shortly, and they're playing Christmas songs. Don't think we're going to be forgetting this Christmas Eve in a while. When cocktails cost £3.40, you can't say no to one at lunchtime. Cheers! Cheers! Christmas Eve in Nungwi.
Happy Christmas!
Okay, that'll be nice.
Christmas Eve.
Have a Christmas card.
Aww, thanks babe.
Happy Christmas.
Cute one.
You can open one first.
Wow, look at that. Aww, that's really sweet. Thanks wife. I love the card, it's brilliant. That's the perfect card. Do you want your one?
Sure.
This one. Read it first. Christmas.
We've ended Christmas Eve with a seafood barbecue at the place that we are staying, opening our Christmas cards and listening to Christmas music. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. We're going to get up for a lovely breakfast and then we are heading snorkeling. So excited.
Happy Christmas.
You're doing a funny dance. Good morning and happy Christmas. It is Christmas Day in Zanzibar. We've got up, we've had breakfast, we've opened a few presents, and now we are down at the beach ready to head off on a snorkeling trip. JP is wearing a rather awesome Rudolph shirt.
Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas Day. Hi, so we've spent most of the day snorkeling to Member Island. We kind of like settled by the atoll next to it and did loads of snorkeling, and then came back on the boat, and we've been chilling, talking to our families, having a Christmas beer, and now we are all ready to go out for our Christmas meal. So we're going to the Z Hotel tonight for a 6 or 7 course Christmas dinner. I am pretty excited about this. I think there may even be turkey involved. Both looking a little bit pink because we've been in the sun a bit too much.
Today. Whoops.
Just got down to the beach and we're at an amazing sunset. They've decorated the palm trees like Christmas. Dinner destination for tonight. We are heading up to the deck up there. Christmas dinner begins. Cheers! Happy Christmas Day! Course number 1. On to the second course. And we get another course. And to the main course. Turkey roast dinner. Are you excited, Jodie?
Christmas dinner.
And the final course. I've got cheese and biscuits. JP has got sticky toffee pudding. Don't know how we're going to finish this. Good morning. It is Boxing Day. We are just packing up in our room in Oasis, and we're going to be heading down to Paje later. But we've got a few hours before our taxi pickup, so I think we're going to go and sit over there by the pool. So we've not long arrived at Crystal Resort in Paje, and wow, is it beautiful. Let me show you. Sunset light is just amazing. Also, hello, I haven't actually vlogged today. We've been super busy lying on sun lounges and reading books, so there wasn't really much to film. But tide's come in, sun is setting,
Paradise.
and we've got just well, basically one more full day left on holiday. Morning swim about to commence. It's going to be cold, isn't it? Not too bad. So it is the last full day of holiday. We have been pretty much doing what we did yesterday, which is sitting by the sea on a sun lounger reading books. And then we've just been for a little swim in the pool. We thought we'd just go for a little walk out to sea, as the sea has gone out for miles. Just take a few more photos, and then tonight we are off to the Rock restaurant, which I'm super excited about.
I am perfect just like you.
1 year married today.
Cheers.
To that.
Where do you want to go for dinner?
Maybe this restaurant here, the Rock.
Oh.
Made it to the Rock restaurant. Looks as amazing as everyone said it would. So excited to finally be here. What have you got for dinner, Jason?
This is like Venice when I was supposed to memorise the menu, but I haven't this time. It's just tagliatelle with lobster, which needs no further introduction. And I believe you've got... What have you got?
Squid with tandoori
That's
and
amazing.
coconut milk. Man, it was so super fast. What did we order for dessert?
Tiramisu. It's like a totally different place to where we came in.
Yeah, like we have to get a boat back and everything. Jambo! Sante Sana! Ready to take a boat back?
Oh, yes. It's slightly different to when we got here and we could walk across.
Yeah, I know, right? Crazy.
In every way, yes, it's true.